Go kill this nigga.
No. Where's the proper party?
There with the bird, with the bird.
Okay.
Dismounted southeast.
Check. Walk with me. No, wag dyan. Tangina. Come west.
Check.
Tangina mo, sandwich tayo dyan. Come west. 2OP3.
They dismounted. Don't get sandwiched, please.
Yeah. Don't sandwich. Go inside POP. If you can mount up, just mount up and go OP3, cho. Clear the mobs. Hey, clear the mobs. Nice. Okay, go inside. We have no business doing open world. We're outnumbered. Hey, clear the mobs. Just come inside. Don't looking. Just come inside. Let my details start. Go check.
Some of them going to your southwest.
Wait. Chill.
Oh, they don't please, bro. The fuck?
Papyrosi. Okay, look at southwest. We're gonna shallow southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, come back. Pull dance.
I kill money.
Okay, just come back. They're trying to back.
Southeast nila broken.
Cool down DPS. Come back. If you have no business, come back.
Like ready.
Sige. They're not inching up. You start to shallow. They're not inching up. Just spam your
Can we catch
silent.
these guys north?
No, that's too few. We have to southwest and southwest. We have to shallow only. We cannot commit on big.
One is in the bomb.
Okay.
Oh, he got pulled.
Okay, look at south. Over the wall. We might engage over the wall. Help Proxima in 5. Southeast in 4. 3, 2, 1. Southeast boy. Southeast. Delete this club. Okay, come back. He's on the front. Okay, it's okay.
Stop looting, guys. Stop looting.
Just hit the
Loot
front.
later.
The bomb failed. The bomb failed. Give me 5 seconds.
Fight
Okay, the
first.
proper party is here.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, nice. Are they on southeast? The proper?
Yeah, they are shot.
Okay. Okay, ball to.
Incubus ready.
Oh, this nigga 6'4 lang. Ang ina, 6'4.
Kalma lang! Puming ina mo! Chill, nigga!
This is 6'4, bro. Team.
Stop your tank. Healers, stop your tank.
Guys, hey, don't overstep. You're gonna fucking die there. They're not inching up. It's hard to fucking shallow, bro. Let them inch up so we can shallow. Hey. Detanks, don't fucking overstay. Ganyan.
Kill one again.
Okay, let's go. Southeast. After the circle. We're gonna shallow southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast, boy. Southeast now.
Oh, nice.
Okay, come back. Yo, Detanks, spread and hold them. Hey, stop fucking looting.
Stop looting, guys.
Heal the front. Oh my god, somebody died. Oh, that's random.
Random.
Yo, hey, you hold Detanks.
They're inching up.
Yeah. We're gonna engage again. Shallow southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast again, boys. Southeast. Fucking delete them niggers. Oh my god, Cho. Come back.
Don't loot, just come back.
Don't loot.
Detanks hold them. Just fucking.
Ay, out of the game. Ay, bomb
Very
again.
nice. Skill yan, di ko makita eh. Knock off with effects.
Ano yan? Tagka Icicle.
Mga shallow ako na.
Icicle.
Okay. 10 minute cooldowns.
Incubus ready.
It's okay. Okay, now inch southeast. We're gonna engage deep on the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the choke, boys, on the choke. Oh my god, okay, full push now. Southeast spread. Detanks fucking hold them all. Southeast spread. Brawl them if you have brawl weapon. Brawl them. Nice. Okay, engage yan.
They're not small, they're bone pool.
3, 2, 1.
Bomb coming to you.
Where?
Coming to you.
Really?
Arrow.
Wait,
Name arrow.
Catch. Yung arrow.
Arrow, yan.
Oh, ang ina, naka-mount up guard. No!
Nakamounted talaga yan.
Follow the crown. Follow the crown, hey. Follow the crown, nigga.
Mount up. Fight is over. Mount up. You can loot me.
Okay, gagi na.